Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman's newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 8, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column B and column D, we have two pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B and column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. First grade. 5 numbers remaining 1, 8, 9, 3, 4. Fourth row we have 1, 8, 9. It can't come these two cells. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. Column D we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Seventh grade we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column D only 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. We will confirm later. 7th grade only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. First grade 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E and column F we have 1. 9th row and 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F we have 6. 9th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row and 6th row and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and 4th row we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. 3, 8 will come in any one of the cells. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come in cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row we have 7. Column I also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 5. Column F we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. then 5 is here. Third grade, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. Sixth grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come this cell. Ninth row also we have 6, so 6 can't come in cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Ninth grade, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. 7th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 3 and 5 we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. 5th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 1, 8. 5th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row and 7th row, we have 7. Column E also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E and column G we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Third row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3 and only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 8th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column G, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in the cell. It will come in any of the two cells. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2, 1, 9. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.